And so today we are talking all about the letter J. J is a consonant, and J makes the sound J, J. If you want to sign the letter J, you stick your pinky up and you swoop it down, making the shape of that J in the air. J. We can hear the letter J in the beginning of the word jellyfish. J, J, jellyfish. We often see the letter J in the beginning of words, such as in the word jog, j-o-g, j-o-g, jog, or in the beginning of the word jam, j-a-m, j-a-m, jam. In both of those words, jog and jam, J is in the beginning. So the J sound is sort of like a joyful jump. It's full of energy. To make the J sound, start with the tip of your tongue close to the roof of your mouth, just behind your teeth. J. And then gently push the air out with a little bit of voice. It's the sound that you hear at the start of words like jump and jelly. All right, J, J, J. So let's try it. Place the tip of your tongue near the roof of your mouth and let your voice join in and say J, J, just like you're starting to say the word jump, jump. Let's say it together. J, J, J. Keep that joyful energy going as you practice that J sound. Let's practice skywriting that letter J. This is the uppercase letter J. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll start at that top line, that blue line, and we'll go down and scoop up like that. I think of it as a bit like an upside down candy cane. Then for our second line, you go back up to the top and you do a straight line across. All right, let's do it one more time. Start at the top, scoop down, swoop up. Jump back up to the top and do a straight line across. And now that we've practiced that uppercase J, let's practice the lowercase j. So to make a lowercase j, you're going to hop to the middle line. You do a straight line down and then do a little curve up again like a smaller candy cane. And this will actually be below that bottom line. So let's do that first line. Go down, swoop up. And then hop back up to that middle line, and just above it, you're going to do a dot. All right, let's practice it. Middle line, down, swoop up, hop up, do a dot. Now, can we skywrite both of them in the air? I bet we can. All right, let's go to the top line to make our capital J, our uppercase J. Straight down, swoop up. Go hop back up to the top, do a straight line across. Now for our lowercase j, let's go to that middle line, straight down, scoop up, and dot it at the top. And now that means you know how to write your uppercase and your lowercase j.